Growing a garden has so many benefits to our family of 4 that we count down the days to growing one every year. We look forward to the fresh veggies and fruits that line our plates, and cooking up delicious recipes to preserve for the long cold winter. We cherish the time as family, whether we are in the garden, cooking in the kitchen, or even carving our own pumpkins for Halloween. Gardening teaches patience and responsibility to our children, and most of all, disappointment, because we all know growing your own garden doesn't always go as planned. Our kids are learning where their food comes from, how to grow, harvest, preserve, and most of all enjoying the fruits of their labor. There's nothing better than fresh tasting homegrown fruits and vegetables. It's minus 25 degrees Celsius and snow still covers the frozen soil, but our days are starting to get longer and we could feel the warmth in the sun. We have to start planning our Zone 3 summer garden. Living in Alberta, Canada, we have a short growing season, so starting your seeds early is essential. Certain crops like peppers and tomatoes, we usually start at the end of February, whereas crops like your root vegetables, we just sow in ground May long weekend around the last frost. So just getting out to start prepping my garden here, and I got my tomatoes and my pepper seeds all ready to go. Usually I start those end of February, and then next month I will do some of the other vegetables, and then eventually we'll get into doing the rooted vegetables, which I just sow in ground after May long weekend, after our last frost. They are cool crops, so they can withstand that colder weather, but a lot of these things, because of our shorter growing season, we have to start working on now and growing inside now. It's really hard to believe that we're thinking about planting our garden and seeds when the weather looks like this. Okay, that's good. Now cover them over. Okay, push through. That's good. So one thing that's nice about having your own garden is on nights like tonight, I felt like hamburger pizza. I got my own pizza sauce, and we're gonna also open up a jar of our pickled carrots and some more of our garlic dills. That's one super nice thing about a garden, is having a cupboard full of some preserves and being able to pull it out throughout the year when you need it.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and